How to download someone's Instagram profile picture. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So there is no such feature of downloading someone's Instagram profile picture, but what you can do is simply go to their profile and then create a snapshot of the entire profile, or you can use snipping tools to just cut out the profile picture of from their profile. That is the only way you can download someone's Instagram profile, by taking screenshot. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.